Hello, my ICTA students. We're going to make some folders today. So right now we're going to come down to this yellow folder icon. It looks like a folder and it says File Explorer. So click on that, and on the left hand side you will be able to find your name as you scroll down here. I've made one up for myself. And so here is my name. So when you find your name, you look up here. This is called the address bar, and you look for your name. All right, now I'm going to make a folder, or you're going to make a folder for ICTA. So we're going to right click, go to New Folder, and you're going to type ICTA and slot, and whichever slot you happen to be in, and I'm going to use 4 for this example. All right, ICTA slot 4. Now I want to be in that slot, so I have to double click, and now look at your address bar. Do you see your name, and do you see ICTA slot 4? You should. If you don't, you're in the wrong place. All right, so now right click, go to New Folder, and I want you to type in Intro. That's going to be your first one. Press Enter. Now click on the white part of the screen to deselect. Right click, New Folder, and you're going to make a folder called Tabs, T-A-B-S. Press Enter. Now deselect, and now right click, go to New Folder, and I want you to type in Displays, D-I-S-P-L-A-Y-S, Displays. And note how it's going into alphabetical order. D for Displays, I for Intro, T for Tabs. And we're going to make one more here, because we're going to put a new folder called Pictures. So when you find some pictures that you like, we will put them in here. So Pictures, and again, do you see the alphabetical order? D, I, P, and T for Tabs. All right, that's all it is to make the folders. Quite easy. Then you close out, click on the X to close out, and you're back in your Word document ready to create a new document. And we'll stop here.